Ooh, look at this. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So in today's video, I will be making a simple pasta dish that is perfect for the entire family, especially in today's time. Some of us don't have a lot of food and we do have to ration. Some of us are self-isolating. So I will be making some spaghetti with garlic and oil. Simple and easy. The entire family will love it and it will last, okay? So here I have some dry parsley. If you have fresh, that's okay. I don't. I couldn't find it, so I have to do with what I have in my cabinets, right? So I have dry parsley, red pepper flakes, and some olive oil. And this is half of a cup of olive oil. You will need some black pepper as well. And the next thing that you will need, I have my water boiling on my stovetop for my pasta. I do have some whole wheat spaghetti pasta. Of course, you need this. And I got this at Trader Joe's. Guys, here we have 9 cloves of slivered garlic. And also, guys, don't forget, when you are going to cook, make sure your hands are clean. Wash your hands. I cannot emphasize that enough about how important it is to wash your hands. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Hit that bell so you can get your notifications for more easy and delicious recipes, okay? So we have our garlic. Now let's go over to our stovetop where our water has been boiling. We have our boiling water. I just have some salt in it and that's it. My hands are clean. So I have my spaghetti pasta in my salted water. And I'm going to let this cook as per the directions of the package. And once it's cooked, I'm going to drain. Okay, my healthy people, so my pasta is ready. But before I drain, what I will do is, I also have my other pan being heated on medium heat. I'm going to take about 2 cups of this water that I'm going to have reserved. I have my cup here. So I'm going to reserve about 2 cups of this before I drain it. There it is. My pasta is all drained and I reserved the water. This is our pasta. Ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is, in my pan, I will add my olive oil. So to that, I'm going to add my garlic. And once again, this is simple and easy. You don't want your garlic to burn. You're going to turn it on low. Guys, if you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Continue to wash your hands. I'm going to be coming at you with some simple and easy recipes that you can make for the entire family. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because that's how you're going to get your what? Notification. As you may see, my garlic is starting to look really good right now. And once, like I said, turn it down. It smells so good. The garlic and the oil, everything inside, starting to give it a nice aroma. So you don't want your garlic to burn. So it's starting to look really good right now. Turn it really all the way down. Make sure it's on low. And then you're going to add your water to this. Be careful though, you don't want to get burned. Slowly, just like that. Add your water to it. Add your salt, some of your parsley. Wash your hands. Added my parsley. I was gonna add the red pepper flakes, but I know one of my daughters don't really like spicy, so I won't add mine until later. I guess I can add just a little bit, right? It won't hurt, but not too much. And this is what it looks like. Add your pasta. So good, so simple, so easy. Just mix everything all the way in. This is how simple and easy it is to make spaghetti pasta in garlic and oil. It smells absolutely delicious. So this is a simple, easy, cheap recipe for the entire family. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Sprinkle some of this dry parsley for decoration. If you have fresh, go right ahead and use it. My store was out, so that's all I have. I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper flakes here, some red pepper flakes. That is perfect for the entire family. You will love it, the kids will love it, everyone will love it. If you do make it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. I'm gonna eat this up right now. Look at that. Look at that. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this simple, easy spaghetti in garlic and olive oil recipe, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me, stay healthy.